Panic buying has returned, making it feel like Victoria is going backwards. The big supermarket chains have reinstated limits on essential items like toilet paper after a surge in buying across Melbourne.
Hopefully this is a blip.
It's not just grocery stores struggling to keep up with demand. The state government's had to open new testing sites after yesterday reaching its capacity of 20,000 tests in a day.
After an hour, I think I'm turning around.
At Melbourne Showground, students and families from Keilor Downs Secondary College are being tested whether they have symptoms or not.
Keilor Downs is clearly a hotspot in Melbourne at the moment.
Authorities are scrambling to control the virus after another 20 cases today, including a new outbreak at a dental clinic. A day after the Premier said help wasn't needed, 300 Defence Force personnel have been called in. Some will help at Victoria's problematic quarantine hotels.
We know there was a breach within the Victorian context. Again, no blame, it's a fact. And so what we have to do is ensure that those standards in the hotel quarantine are absolutely at the highest level.
Victoria and New South Wales have taken the lion's share of Australia's returned travellers. More than 17,000 have been put up in Victorian hotels, and 196 of those have tested positive for the virus. There are currently 30 people with coronavirus staying in Victorian hotels, and at least 33 cases are linked to staff from Melbourne's Stamford Plaza and Bridges hotels.
New South Wales has been using the Defence Force to help secure its quarantine hotels. Victoria hasn't. But apparent hygiene breaches mean security guards have contracted the virus and then spread it to their families. That led the federal government to consider diverting flights away from Victoria to other states. But that's off the table now the Army's been sent in.
I don't know why you'd rather use private security guards who frankly aren't properly trained in the use of personal protective equipment compared to the Australian Defence Force.
The Army will also be deployed to Melbourne's hotspot areas to help with testing and logistics. Bridget Rollason, ABC News.